Ok, hello, xin chào các bạn. Mình Huy và Nam sẽ chơi game một thôn nè. Ok, không biết là mình có đọc đúng không nữa. Ok, cứ chơi đi. Game một thôn nè đó nha bạn. Mình cứ đọc là game of thôn đi cho nó dễ bạn ơi. Ôi trời ơi, đồ họa đẹp quá bạn ơi. Đồ họa đẹp quá.
Kingslayer, Oathbreaker, brought to his knees by the men of the North.
Set free by the women. You'd think he'd done it himself the way he tells it. Lord Forrester's sword won't clean itself, you know.
Oh.
Make sure it's spotless this time. Lord Forrester won't be happy with blood and brains all over it.
Ôi trời ơi, chùi kiếm.
Now that is a proper sword.
I'll have one like it myself someday.
You'll never have a sword like that. I say that as a friend. And if we're being honest, why not? They don't give swords like that to pig farmers.
I had a hand in it, you know. A hand in what? Capturing him.
He was nowhere near the Kingslayer at the Whispering Wood. He was so drunk he barely made it out of his tent.
Shh. Let him finish.
Oh, he'll talk all night if you let him.
You captured the Kingslayer? Aye. Well, I had a hand in it. Aye. And round his ankle as 10 others took him down.
See? What'd I tell you?
Brought him to his knees.
Lord Forrester.
But not before he dragged you halfway across the battlefield on your face.
You're questioning Norrin's honor.
I'm questioning Norrin's story. It grows more far-fetched every time he tells it.
Get your liege lord some wine. Go on. It's your job.
Right, thanks.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Garrett. I'll do it. Norrin's family has faithfully served House Forrester for centuries. His honor is beyond reproach. House Tully is forever in his debt. They've never seen a field plowed so well as the day the Kingslayer dragged poor Norrin across the battlefield. Fetch your cup. Tonight we celebrate.
Hình như bọn này nó tổ chức tiệc các bạn. Bọn này hình như đang ở hồi xưa là còn có tôn vinh vua nữa bạn ơi. Bọn nó đang tổ chức tiệc.
Winter is coming.
Let's hope he waits till this bloody war's over. Got it.
Yes, my lord?
I need you to keep an eye out for Roderick. As his father, I could not be more proud of the man he's become. On a night like this, men find false courage at the bottom of their cups. I'd rather he were here.
Yes, my lord.
There's also the question, what's to be done with you? It's been on my mind for a while now.
What do you mean?
You've served House Forrester well for several years now, but I can't expect you to squire forever. How shall I reward your loyalty? What can I offer you?
To bring honor to House Forrester, my lord.
you have more honor than those who were born to it. There were those who had their doubts when your uncle put forth your name as my squire. But you've erased those doubts entirely. It would be an honor to see you riding by Roderick's side in the vanguard tomorrow. Not as a squire, but as the equal of any man who serves House Forrester. It's well deserved, Garrett.
Thank you, my lord. I promise. I won't let you down.
That I don't doubt. But for now, keep this between us. We're celebrating tonight. I wouldn't want the other squires to feel discouraged.
Yes, my lord.
Now go and find Roderick if you can.
I will, my lord. Thank you.
Bloody hell.
Squire! Fetch us more wine! Can you give me a hand? Come on. Bring it up to you.
Yeah, no problem.
I have been a squire longer than you. So? I outrank you. You should help me. Fetch more wine. Scrub my armor. Clean my boots. Just my luck to end up with Norin while you serve the Lord. Let him fetch his own wine for once.
Shut up, Bowen.
See, that's where you're lucky. Low expectations. If I'd grown up covered in pig shit, shovel and slop, well, maybe I'd think saddling his horse was the greatest honor in the Seven Kingdoms. I suppose this beats pig farming.
Just shut your mouth.
It's the truth. It's not like I'm making it up. All I'm saying is, at this rate, we'll never be more than this, which is nothing. The lowest of the low. For all I know, we could be squires for life. Pulling wine around that fucking wedding.
I'm sick of listening to your whine. With that attitude, you'll never be more than this.
Easy for you to say. Maybe if my uncle were Castellan, I'd feel different.
Who my uncle is has nothing to do with it. How much further?
It's right over there. Take your time.
You lot have drunk your share. Good thing Lord Walder's in a generous mood. Fucking phrase. Nice night for a wedding. Not often he finds a willing husband for one of his daughters.
Don't expect me to carry it for you, Sir Garrett. What? What's wrong? What's gotten into you? You're acting rather odd.
Nothing. I'm fine.
I'm so glad to hear it. Now take the fucking flagon already.
What's wrong with him? Something the matter?
Bowen, we have to go.
You go if you're in such a rush.
Cái gì đấy?
What
Chạy.
about? What the hell was that about? Slow down, would you? Run!
Mình nhận ra điều khác biệt rồi bạn ơi. Mà nó có... Ôi trời ơi, chiến tranh hả gì vậy? Au.
You need to get back to camp.
Mẹ mưa vừa vào mà. Nè nè. Ủa tiệc đẫm máu rồi bạn ơi. Trời ơi, ui trời ơi. À, thốn vậy. Ui. Cái khiên lẹ. Rồi sau lưng kìa. Ủa, cái bọn này là cái bọn nào vậy nha? Nhớ là quân mình đang đãi tiệc thì tự nhiên cái bọn này xuất hiện. Mà tại sao bọn này khủng bố mà bỏ được vô rồi. Hay lắm. Ui trời biết sao. Ui trời ơi. Khó quá. Ây da. Ui trời ơi, ra được rồi. Thanh niên tay không. Thanh niên tay không. Trời, thanh niên tay không né như đạn. Nó có cỏ mình. Trời ơi, nữa hả? Thanh niên mạnh vậy. Mày đồ bó à. Hú lì. Các bạn biết cảm giác đâu không? Tôi sợ thốn quá. Thốn. Nó chết rồi bạn ơi.
Garrett, did you find Roderick? Speak up, Garrett.
He's gone, my lord. There was nothing I could do.
Find a weapon, quickly!
Lẫm kiếm hả? Sợ. Đồ bó à. Hay lắm. Oh shit.
You fucking traitor! Go, my lord, while there's still time. Seven hells.
You're wounded, my lord.
I've suffered worse.
Walder Frey says time to fucking leave!
Trời ơi. Ông này bị thương nặng lắm rồi các bạn ơi.
Guard this with your life. Return it to Ironrath, where it belongs.
Ok, giờ ông này cho mình cây kiếm.
I'll be damned if I let it fall into the hearts of those traitors.
Walder Frey says
You have to go.
You're welcome to the fucking torch.
I won't leave you, my
You
lord.
can, and you will.
My lord,
by the gods, you will obey me.
Giờ phải chạy bỏ ông này à.
Tell him the North Grove must never be lost. Tell no one but him. Do you understand? You must swear. Tell only your Uncle Duncan. The future of the house may depend on it.
The North Grove, my lord.
Hey, it's those foresters! On your honor, you must do this for your house. Go!
Giờ mình phải chạy à.
Fucking foresters! With love.
Ôi trời ơi. Ủa, cứ đứng nhìn nó. Ui trời, anh chạy nhanh đi vậy. Ok, chắc chừng tập này đây được rồi đó các bạn. Nếu bạn thích series này của mình, nhớ là một like cùng một subscribe để mình có nội dung tiếp nha. Ok, bye bye các bạn, hẹn gặp lại các bạn vào những video sắp tới của mình. Bye bye.